how you doing everybody? Thank you for watching one more time. So here I am today. I want to do a little bit of weed and feed and how to prepare my land for the early spring. So I'm raking my lawn and I'm trying to do a little bit of aeration. Not professional, but it looks like it's gonna work. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any better ideas, let me know. As you can see right here in this area, we've been walking a lot on this area just to get around. And last year we have a bad snow day, and basically all the grass died. So I think that area right there and those little uh, plants right there, they were affected by the snow. So I'm gonna dig and remove that dirt and see if I can get a better result on that area right there. So guys, this is what I normally use on all my properties that they ask me for weed and feed. I've been using these for years, and this is only like $30 per bag. It's like 17 pounds, I guess. So it works on San Agustin grass, and it works for Soysha and Bermuda, I guess. So let's go ahead and do it.
And so this is the best time for applying some seeds for in the grass. It's still cold weather, and it's probably like we're not even reached the 75 degrees, so we're still like 70s. And it's, we had some cold weather uh, the past few days, and so yeah, so this is the best time to apply some of these seeds and on any other empty spots. I did it last year and it works really well, and it's made me comfortable to do it again. So I want to try this again. So after applying the seeds in some of the areas, my next step, I'm gonna apply some diluter and some of the topsoil for lands, and I think I'm gonna try half of my lawn with these and half with this natural topper soil, and so that way I can try same way next season. So after applying the soil on the lawn, gonna spread a little bit with the rake, and after that I can just wait for the rain. I can just go ahead and water the ground. Half of the lamb is till a third, and the other half is gonna be a topper soil. So okay guys, so that's how it look. So I did try two different, I tried the soil and the diluter on two different areas. So that area right there, what happened is I caught it too short, and it's dry. So the grass is mixed. This is an Agustin, and that one is basically like a zoysia grass. And all this area right here is an Agustin. I don't get this area
um, fill fill up again, and the reason is because we keep walking on that area, but everything that looks great. To me, it looks good, and this was basically after a week and a half. Yeah, you don't see any dirt or anything right there. So I just cut it, and that's the reason why it looks a little bit dry, but it looks really good to me. Um, for example, this area right here, when I raked in the first time, there were no grass. You can probably remember, and let me see if I can find a photo and I can put it right there. So take a look right now how it looks. So that's how it is, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you can learn something. If you can teach me something, um, you are welcome to give me some tips, because that's what we are here to learn. And I want to fix the other area right there, because there's like a mixed grass and it keeps getting dry and dry, and I patched a big pat San Agustin right there, and it helped me to fill up the area right there, but it don't go through to the sidewall, so I'm still have to do more, maybe early on the winter this year. So thank you guys for watching. Enjoy life. We'll see you next time.